The A part of question number 2 reads, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1440. Roman 1. How many sides has the polygon? Roman 2. Find the size of each exterior angle. And the B part of question number 2 reads, find the principal that will earn 29,880 naira in 15 years at the rate of 3% per annum simple interest. All right, let's get started with A part. What is a regular polygon? A polygon is said to be regular if and only if all the interior angles have the same measure. Example, in an equilateral triangle, you know all angles are 60 degrees each. This is one of the example of a regular polygon. So that polygon has all its interior angles equal to one another. So remember this formula which stated that to find the sum of all the interior angles of a regular polygon, you can take n minus 2, where n stands for the number of sides or the number of angles. I told you they are all the same. Multiply by 180 degrees. This will give us the sum of all the angles. So we can expand. 180 times n will give us 180n minus 2 times 180 is 360. But already the sum is given to us as 1440. Right? So you can simply take this one to the other side. It will become positive. So we have 180n equal to 1440 plus 360. 180n equal to 1800. Then you divide both sides by 180. And n is equal to 10. This implies that that particular polygon has how many sides? 10 sides and 10 angles. So since it has 10 sides, it means it is a what? Decagon. So we have answered Roman 1 of A part. Then Roman 2, we're asked to find the size of what? Each exterior angle. What is an exterior angle? Suppose this is how the polygon looks like. Let me show you. This is Roman 2. Suppose it is something like this, I don't know how it looks like. We should know it has 10 sides. So these are the interior angles. All of these are interior angles. So exterior angle is the angle outside. Something like this. So this particular angle outside is said to be exterior. I can even call it x. So there are two different ways to find this x. You can either find the angle inside, then you subtract it from 180 because this is a straight line. And you know that angle on a straight line equals 180. So let me show you the two different ways to find it. Since we know that this particular polygon has 10 sides and 10 angles, and the sum of all equal to 1440, if you divide it by 10, each angle will be what? 144, sorry. So this 144 plus x will be 100 and what? 80 definitely. So this x can be equal to 180 minus 144. And this is equal to what? 36 degrees each. So each exterior angle measured 36 degrees. And how can we find it apart from this method? Remember that the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360. So we can have another x here, we can have another x here, all of this. If you add all of them together, remember they are 10 in number, you're going to get 360. Therefore, 360 divided by 10 will give us that angle as well. So since we have 10 x's equal to 360, x can be 360 divided by 10. So x equal to 36 degrees. So in either way, you have to find this 36 degrees. So the exterior angle, each exterior angle measured 36 degrees, and the number of sides are 10. So we have just answered the Roman 1 and Roman 2 of A part. Now let us move on to the B part. The question reads, find the principal that will earn 29,880 in 15 years at 3% per annum simple interest. All right, this is to B. Simple interest is equal to the principal times rate times the time divided by 100, right? But the simple interest is given from the question as what? 29,880. The rate is also given as 3%. The time is given as 15 years. And what are we looking for? We are looking for the principal. So let's substitute. We have 29,880 equal to the principal that we are looking for times the rate 3 times 15 divided by 100. Take this and multiply by this. You have 29,88000 equal to P multiplied by 15 times 3 is 45. Now we divide both sides by 45. P, which is the principal, is equal to 2,988,000 divided by 45. And this is equal to 66,400 naira. Therefore, the principal amount is 66,400. Now let us move on to question number 3.